this is Xiaomi Redmi 4X. I didn't know this is actually, there's a different LCD between this one and this one. I bought the wrong LCD. So let's see what's the difference between this and this. This one is because this LCD spoiled and it attached to the top and the bottom. Well, this one is both bottom. So let's see, can I figure out how to change this? Let's go. This is open. Let's take this pad out. Okay, I'm screwed. It is all bottom. Dang it. I need to resell this. I take the board out and as you can see, this is actually linked to the top. This is what the motherboard looks like. It has a lot of screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I didn't destroy this motherboard though. It looks pretty clean and new. Yeah, this is the front. This is the back. I hope everything's fine. And it also includes this stupid plastic piece, causing it pretty hard to take the piece out. Remember to take this sensor out, because if you don't take the sensor out, you won't find the screw around here, which is kind of dumb. And it takes some time for me to find it. Now here's the big issue. See the difference of this LCD? Yeah, it's not from the top, it's from the bottom. God damn it, now I need to buy a new one. Mother. Behold, the battery is here. Nice. That's the board. Yep. It's like that for this one, for this case. Oh well, I'm just gonna wait. Alright, so let's continue with this repair. But there's some problem I did yesterday and I screwed up. Basically, I accidentally damaged the motherboard. As you can see, these pieces came out. I'm in deep trouble. I don't know if anything goes bad of this motherboard. Yeah, I hope nothing goes wrong though. I hope everything's still fine though, even though I actually damaged but a bit. I shouldn't damage it, but I don't know how, but it's just damaged, you know. So right now I'm just gonna put all these things here. The lower case, there's nothing to talk about. Pin, the antenna, clips that I'm gonna keep it on. Yeah, we got the battery here, which is good. Without any LCD, right? So today is today. We got our first ever LCD right here, right now. So we're gonna open the LCD up.
Nigga, I just told you. I told the bitch we need to take a break cause she a space invade. Niggas do not know the game, why? Cause they player haters. I'm a boss jam, man, I call me Dr. Egg, man. My money stretched like jogging pants, rubber bands and headbands. Hopped up out that water, nigga.
And then it was more stuff you don't, so let's do it. I mean, there's a reason why this is new here. Give me a minute. Ta-da! Managed to put it in. Now, this one, since it's open, I'm gonna put it in. So, I feel like it's not long enough. That's the reason why it's not long enough. There's something blocking. Okay, so put it inside here. Come on. Put it in.
Smoke the strongest back. Tell me what is wrong with that. No point in the laundromat. You can't help but honor that. Jam man, Mega Man, more games than the Sega man. Jam man, Mega Man, more games than the Sega man. I am the great Sam. You better stop playing, man.
I'll pray that it works. That's the only thing that I'm praying right now. Antenna shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Pray that it works. Bingo. Now I hope the touchscreen works. That's the most important thing. Touchscreen works. remember I really made spoil some part of the motherboard. Not really made spoil of it, it's just like something happened yesterday. I don't know what I did. It's very funny. Very funny. Whoosh! Come on. It's powering up Android. Once this is okay, we are gonna take this out again, and then we're gonna glue the piece shut, and then bang, put everything back. We are done. Okay, hopefully that. Okay. Oh my god, I still remember. Oh, photos. No, you're not supposed to see the photo. You're not supposed to show the photo. No. Oh my god, look at how fast this is. This is actually Xiaomi Redmi X4. This is a Redmi Note 4X. I mean, this is Redmi Note 4X, and it's a very particular phone that is actually has a good Android that I didn't know. Okay, it's a little bit. Come on. Still lagging. Just started this phone. A little bit laggy. Okay, that's the setting. About phone. Okay, thank God it's working. What's about phone? Service and feedback. It's lagging. No, we're not looking at service. We are looking at about phone. Me account is not what we are looking for, I think. Oh, it's loading. No, we're not looking at me account. At least it's working. That's good. So we can actually start gluing everything back. I'm gonna take out everything again. And yeah, let's fix this phone once and for all. Glue it shut. And everything's gonna be fine. Power off. Okay, so now we're gonna take the battery out. And then we're gonna glue the whole thing shut. This is gonna be the problematic part because LCD and all this stuff. Right, let's take this out. Alright, let's start gluing the stuff up. So what I recommend using a glue that really fits is new glue. I bought a new glue. But first, I'm gonna get some rubber bands first. For the rubber band I need, I'm gonna use the new glue, which is a better one. This one is a black glue and it's not a transparent white glue. So just do every corner, you know what to do. Corner is your best friend. Just glue everywhere. To be honest, it's my phone. I know I should clean up. Some of the part. So you know, it's my phone. So I'm not gonna resell it though. Unless someone really want it. I should get rid of that piece, but you know, it's fine. No, it's fine. Oh god, I didn't mean it. See, my hand is very shaky. I have a very shaky hand. Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, you holler. Yes, 1, 2, 3, do it. Hopefully the glue is still not right, like not glue shot. Start with the top first. Start with the top. There we go. And then you just click the top part of it. Then we do the bottom. The bottom. Hopefully it's not. Yeah, there we go. I need to take this plastic piece out apparently because of that thing right there. So I'm gonna take this out. It's not a good idea to take it out first, but you know, for the sake of that stupidity, I'm taking it out. And then I'm gonna put this in. I can use the alcohol wipe to wipe it off anyway, so doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna use a small glue for that. So this one. Okay, There we go. Paste it down, let it dry. This glue is a very strong glue, that's why I know this glue is perfect for this phone. Later I'm gonna use the alcohol to wipe everything down. So let's put the big board in first. Let's put the board in. What is it?
I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me
Just gonna make sure we do the LCD first. So I'm just gonna do this. I'll wait for around 15 to 20 minutes. Let me get rid of all the screw first. Put it on here. Glue is stick together, everything looks nice, and it doesn't work. It doesn't work anymore. Like I turn on the screen doesn't fit in, it doesn't work anymore. So all I know is I'm just gonna put this down and then put this down and then put this down and then the sensor, put it in. That's it. I give up. I literally give up. I can't do this anymore. Doesn't work. I put everything looks nice. Like everything looks nice. I think it's because I put too much glue. So now it doesn't work anymore. It doesn't want to work anymore. Well, I can't believe this piece of crap. Sometimes life is like that, you know. You want to get it work, but sometimes it just doesn't want you to get it work. It's just not there. It doesn't want you to get it work. Give up. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I officially give up on this piece over here. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything back. At least I can turn it on and off. So this is actually for something like so-called use it for, you know, since I can turn it on and off, means I can actually save my file, transfer file, blah blah blah. That's what I'm gonna do right now. That's what I'm gonna do this phone. Transfer file, save file. I mean, it doesn't swipe. You can turn on, but it doesn't swipe. So this kind of sucks. In a way that this phone doesn't work on me anymore. Kind of sucks, to be honest. Everything was working fine until last minute. I don't know what happened. I don't freaking know what happened. It just doesn't work. The miracle didn't happen. Oh well. I knew some days this will happen. I knew that when I do repair phone, not every time is successful. So today, we lost a bet, we lost a success. This phone is actually quite nice, quite useful, quite strong, but it ended up didn't the way I want it to be. So that's upsetting. That's really is upsetting. I'm tired. I want to edit other video now. I already tried parent phones, especially this phone. Like this phone, but that's the reason why I buy spare part. Try, but sometimes life is not lucky enough to do what you want. So apparently this phone is really gone. It's gone. You can turn on, but you can't. Yeah, it's gone. Let me just put everything back. Safe and steady. See what's gonna happen next. It's gone. I'm just gonna let the battery die. Oh, I take the case out again and let the battery die. Let me show you the sad news about this phone. I generously everything was fine just now. You saw the. Now it's just. I don't know what I did, to be honest. Fuck this, I'm done. Goodbye.